Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you guys how to block a program from going online using Windows Firewall. So there could be many reasons why you want to block a program from accessing internet. Let's get started. So for example, if I want my Adobe Reader not to access any internet or any internet package to go to it, I'm gonna have to, for this, I'm gonna have to block the internet connection inbound and outbound. So to do this, first you have to open the control panel, and then you're gonna have to look for Windows Firewall. Once you're in the Windows Firewall, in the side panel there should be an option for advanced settings. Click advanced settings, and this should bring this menu up. In this, you're gonna have to access the inbound rules and the outbound rules. Now what you simply do is you go to the inbound rules and new rule. Um, Now you want to know where the exe of your program that you're about to block is. So for example, if this is a shortcut, this little icon here indicates this is a shortcut. So I would right click again, go to properties and find location. So now this is the actual application exe. It's in OS, my C drive, program files, Adobe Reader 11 Reader. So now what I'm gonna have to do here is let me just close this. So you go next, simply next. This is where you choose the program. So now you're gonna have to go to that location, right? So PC, C drive. Um, Let me just check one more time. What was this? Um, so now we're gonna locate to the exe program files, Adobe, Reader 11, and Reader, and that's where um, the exe file is. So basically now you click it open and you keep going next, keep going, no, in action, that's where you have to block the connection. This is gonna block the inbound connection. So that's good. And you go next, profile, next. Name, I like to name it Ado Reader. So then if later on I need to delete this rule, I can. And I would also like to put um, in, so I know this is an inbound rule. So finish. And as you can see, it does say right here that there is no inbound connection going to Adobe Reader. You can also delete this by simply clicking here, and yes, now you have connection back to your program. And I also recommend doing it for both ways, outbound and inbound. It's the same way in outbound. You go new role, you go program, next, you browse to the exe, and you go to the action after you've browsed to the exe, and then you block the connection. That's simple. And you can again delete any one of these from here. Thank you very much, guys. This is how you block internet connection from one of your programs. Thanks for tuning in. Um, Thanks.
Love is you.